Hey everyone, huge news. Let me update you on the PII event happening this summer in Toronto, and then I'm going to give you an update on Blossom as well in case you haven't seen they moved their date. So let me start off with the PII event. I'm very excited about this, guys. The tickets were sold out in less than 24 hours. So my wife and I were ecstatic about that. It's going to be all PII Inner Circle members. We only shared the link to the PII members. So the 100 tickets have been sold out. So unfortunately, I've been getting messages and emails about, I missed the ticket. Is there more? I'm sorry, guys. Right now, it's completely sold out. The place is going to be at pretty much close to maximum capacity. So it's going to be here at the gallery at the Design Exchange. Super exciting stuff, guys. And another thing I wanted to announce, I've already announced that. Let's just go through the sponsors. Hamilton ETFs, Harvest ETFs, Global X, Canada is going to be there. They're the three headliner sponsors. They're going to be there. Who else is going to be there? 9Point is going to be there. Brompton is going to be there as well, and BMO as well. And wanted to announce a brand new sponsor who's just confirmed they will be there as well. Evolve ETFs will also be there. It's going to be a fantastic night, everyone. Again, it's going to be on August 7th. I know you already have your ticket. Unfortunately, sorry, there's no more ticket. It's sold out. So I will definitely see you guys there. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So in case you haven't seen, we actually made the date to actually be close to the Blossom event. The Blossom event was scheduled to be August 8th, but it was moved unfortunately to July 25th. So first thing I want to confirm is that our event is still going to be on August 7th. We cannot move the event. We've already booked the venue a while ago, reserved it a while ago, and that place is very, very busy. So our event is not changing. The date is not changing. It's going to be August 7th. For the Blossom Toronto 2026, it's moving to the July 25th. And I wanted to confirm to you today that I will be there as well. And I will be participating in the Blossom event in a meaningful way. So I'm still in discussing it with Brandon and Max. I'm not sure exactly how, but I see here that they have some master classes. There's one called the Passive Income Blueprint Master Class. So I hope I would be part of that. I'm pretty sure I will in a very significant way. Maybe we'll do one just for cover call ETFs. I'm also in discussion with them. So either way, I wanted to confirm to you guys, number one, that I will be at the Blossom event Toronto on Saturday, July 25th, and I will be there in a meaningful way, either on a panel or a masterclass. I don't know. I told Brandon and Max I'm up for whatever. So we're still in discussion. I know there's going to be a bunch of other income-oriented influencers there as well. So if you want to get 15% off your ticket, use the promo code Adriano. Very simple. Adriano, that's it. You enter that as a promo code. And there are still apparently... Brandon told me they're going away soon. There's still early bird tickets available where you get $20 off. And instead of $100, you pay $79. So get your tickets now, guys. Use my promo code Adriano, 15% off the ticket. And there's also some VIP tickets here. So in case you want to get one of those, which basically, I guess, I don't know exactly, guys. I'm not organizing this event. But I'm assuming you'll see the benefits and the added benefits here. So my code works for any one of these. So if you want to get that VIP ticket, you'll also get 15% off using my code. So I will see you guys in Toronto. And of course, for the Inner Circle members who got the ticket for the first ever PII event, super, super excited about that. My wife and I will see you there as well on August 7th. With all the amazing sponsors, really everyone we want to see there, right? So super exciting stuff. Wanted to give you guys an update. So thank you so much. We really appreciate your support. The tickets sold out very, very quick for our event. We're ecstatic about it. This event is a success. Most likely we will do it again next year in a much bigger way, maybe in the bigger room at the Design Exchange. So they have a couple of rooms. The big room is called the trading floor. So maybe we could do it there. Maybe we could do up to 200 people, 300 people. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. We'll see what happens with this event here. But, we are very lucky to have really amazing sponsors that have always supported us. You guys have always supported us. And yeah, there you go. Blossom confirmed. I will be there. Get your ticket for July 25th and use my code Adriano to get 15% off. See you there, everyone.